go over Wavefront's brand new alert viewer. Here I have an alert for request counts dropped by more than 50%. Got a chart which clearly shows my alert firing and all the various series that we're looking at. Just below that, we try to help you understand what are the affected point tags associated with your alert. Actually, I have two different hosts firing. For region, we have a common tag of US East 1. And for service, we have a common tag for purchase. And clicking on either of those, I got the exact same results. So really quickly, we understand we have an issue with the purchase service in US East 1. Now, alerts seldom fire in isolation. Typically, they're associated with a lot of other firing alerts, creating a lot of noise, and it's often hard to cut through that noise to understand what is a leading symptom. Wavefront's Alert AI helps you do exactly that. We will go find all the other alerts which are correlated and rank them on what we believe is the most likely leading symptom. Here I see quite a few other correlated alerts: GC thrashing, high heat usage, high volume network retransmit. Well, GC thrashing and high heat usage and even CPUs, these are typically symptoms of something else that's causing it. High volume network retransmit is a real good leading indicator here. And when I click on this and look at the exact same time scale, I see a massive retransmit at the same time we were having request counts getting dropped. Really good leading indicator. We go ahead and start looking here.
For more information, detailed videos, and blogs about all Aria Suite products, please visit apps-cloudmanagement.techzone.vmware.com or simply scan the QR code to learn more.